This is my world record which I have set in December 2022. After cesarean section delivery, I have lifted 300 kgs and set this world record. I am the only woman in the world who have set this record. हमारे देश का नाम और हमारे कौम का नाम मैं रोशन करूँगी. कॉमनवेल्थ मास्टर गेम्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मेरा सिलेक्शन हो चुका है, तो इंशाल्लाह वहाँ भी मैं जाऊँगी और मेरी तैयारी अभी पहले से भी ज़्यादा हो चुकी है.
Indian weightlifter Qudsiya Nazir earned a gold medal at the United Masters Weightlifting Championship held during the Commonwealth Games in Australia. Originating from Bangarpet in Karnataka, Qudsiya also won a gold medal in the Commonwealth Championship. She is an employee of the Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation and has achieved notable success in sports. To commend her accomplishments in the recent games, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar congratulated Qudsiya and her coach Mohammad Amanullah at Karnataka House in Delhi on Saturday. Previously, in 2023, Qudsiya was honoured with the Iron Lady of India Award for her exceptional contributions and achievements in sports.
This is Qudsiya Nazir. I am an international master weightlifting champion. Me and my coach Mohammad Amanullah had been to represent India in Australia Gold Coast for Commonwealth Games United Masters Weightlifting World Cup Championship, and it was held on 19th to 23rd June 2024. So I baggaged gold medal in the competition in the category of 87 kilograms. Today I met Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka D.K. Shivkumar sir at Karnataka Bhavan. So I'm feeling extremely happy and I'm very much thankful for their support and generosity. Thank you.
Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.